much. So here we are again. Thank you very much for joining us. Sorry, I'm going to start again. So here we are again. We have a weekly meetups every week with our partners. This week we are with Rosie, our partner in Bulgaria. Bulgaria, as you very well know, has become one of the hottest jurisdictions to work with in Europe. And today, since it's so hot, at the same time, there are some hidden aspects of the place that we would like to clarify. We'd like to show you what we can do in Bulgaria through our partner Rosie, and why Bulgaria makes perfect sense for you to start your company. So again, thank you very much. This is Scriffignano, Studio Bertaggia. Rosie, thank you for being with us today.
Thank you as well. I would say that Bulgaria is a good place to make business for a couple of reasons. First, it has really the most competitive corporate tax rate, and it is also a signatory to more than 70 double tax treaties, which is helping investors from being taxed twice for their profits in the country and abroad, which for business really makes sense. Also, due to the electronization of our commercial register, incorporation of companies in Bulgaria is a relatively fast process. Bulgarian legislation also provides different type of legal structures in the country. The two most common are the limited liability company and the stock company. And one very interesting company structure which was introduced last year is the so-called company with variable capital. It is suitable for startups that are looking to attract investors or to negotiate more flexible terms for participation in the company. And some of the benefits, just to say, because this is really interesting, some of the benefits of these company types are also the so-called tag-along and drag-along options. So this is a really interesting and flexible company structure that can be utilized by investors.
This is perfect. Well, first of all, thank you very much for such a comprehensive overview of what we do. This is very good. And just to go into the nitty-gritty of things, you mentioned at the beginning of your answer, of your telling us what you can do, the taxation in Bulgaria, which is of course of the utmost interest to our clients. Roughly, I know that it depends on a number of reasons, but what is the taxation, the corporate taxation that we can expect in Bulgaria?
Well, the corporate tax is 10%, but with the latest legislative changes that were introduced again last year, at the end of last year, huge multinational companies are now being taxed with different corporate tax rates, but it depends on the scale of these multinational corporations and their incomes, which should reach like millions. So basically, if your business is not of such high magnitude, the corporate tax rate that will be applied is 10%.
Perfect. Well, this is very, very interesting because, of course, as you know, this is one of the main reasons for our clients, for people in general that are in the business world, to think about how to maximize your earnings, how to minimize the tax exposure. So this is very, very interesting indeed. So let me just think about this. We have now established what the taxation is. We're now going to, in the next couple of meetings such as this, going to explore the different types of companies that we're able to work with in Bulgaria. So let me take this opportunity to say thank you very much again. We're going to basically stop here for now so that we don't give too much information to our clients, because too much of something can be a bad thing. We're going to take the time to, again, regroup and think about how we may be able to, again, discuss every single type of company that we have, because we can do everything. And the main thing, I would say, to bear in mind that by having proper consulting, a proper firm such as Studio Bertaggia, such as yourself, our trusted partner in Bulgaria, we are able to assist our clients in a whole way, from the taxation point of view, from a legal point of view, and of course, from the business point of view. So again, thank you very much for being with us, spending this 3, 4, 5 minutes with us today, because your time, very valuable, your information, more valuable indeed. So thank you very much again.
Thank you very much for the time being.
Thank you.